soul, and the voices say I'm not enough. When my past is standing at my door, reminding me of all my faults, but I hear you whisper in the dark, calling me your child again. Through the cross you washed away my shame. Now I know just who I am, not by my strength, not by what I've done, but by your grace. My victory is won. I am who you say I am, my Lord, chosen, forgiven, forever yours. No chains can hold the heart you save. Your love has called me by my name. I am who you say I am, my King. Your grace has given me new wings. No fear can stand where your love is. I am who you say I am. When the world is shouting different names, broken, lost, and far from grace, I remember what your word has said. I am covered by your blood. You have called me from the grave of sin into life and liberty. destiny. Your love has set my spirit free. Forever I will stand and sing, I am who you say I am.